Did you know that over 12 million cars are scrapped every year? Many of them could have been saved with proper maintenance. A single bad habit could be silently destroying your vehicle without you even realizing it. Today, we're exposing the worst maintenance mistakes that can turn your car into an expensive, broken-down mess. If you want to keep your car running smoothly and avoid massive repair bills, stick around. Some of these might surprise you. Ignoring transmission fluid changes. Your transmission is one of the most expensive parts of your car, and neglecting its fluid is like running a marathon without water. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down, collects debris, and turns into sludge. This leads to overheating, slipping gears, and eventual failure. The worst part? Most people don't realize there's a problem until it's too late. Prevention tip: check your owner's manual and follow the recommended service schedule. Many cars require a transmission fluid change every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. And don't believe the lifetime fluid myth, it's just a marketing gimmick. Using the wrong type of gasoline. Fuel isn't just fuel. If your car requires premium gas, 91 or 93 octane, and you cheap out with regular, you're forcing the engine to work harder. This can lead to engine knocking, reduced power, and expensive damage to pistons and valves. Prevention tip: always use the fuel recommended in your owner's manual. If your car is designed for regular gas, using premium won't make it perform better. It's just wasted money. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. That little check engine light, it's not there for decoration. Ignoring it can lead to catastrophic engine failure, transmission breakdowns, or even total brake failure. Something as simple as a loose gas cap can trigger the light, but it could also be a major issue like an engine misfire. Prevention tip: never ignore warning lights, get them checked immediately. Catching a small issue early can save you thousands of dollars. Driving with low oil levels. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. Without enough of it, metal parts grind together, heat skyrockets, and your engine can seize up permanently. Prevention tip: check your oil regularly. Don't just rely on warning lights. Pull out the dipstick and ensure the oil level is within the safe range. Also, never ignore oil leaks. Revving a cold engine. On a cold morning, revving your engine might seem like a quick way to warm it up, but it's actually causing serious damage. Cold oil takes time to circulate, and revving too soon causes metal-on-metal contact inside the engine. Prevention tip: start your car and let it idle for 30 seconds to a minute before driving gently. This gives the oil time to circulate and lubricate vital components. Driving through deep water. Water in your engine equals disaster. If water gets into your air intake, it can cause hydrolocking, when water enters the cylinders and prevents pistons from moving. The result? A destroyed engine. Prevention tip: avoid driving through standing water. Even a few inches can hide deep potholes, and if water reaches your air intake or exhaust, your car could be done for. 7. Delaying brake pad and rotor replacements. Squeaking, grinding, or pulsating brakes aren't just annoying, they're warning signs. Worn brake pads expose metal parts, which grind against the rotors, damaging them and putting excessive stress on your braking system. Prevention tip: replace brake pads before they wear down completely. Depending on your driving habits, this could be every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Using the wrong power steering fluid can be quite problematic. Power steering systems require specific fluids, and using the wrong type can cause foaming, overheating, and pump failure. A failed power steering pump can leave you with an expensive repair bill and a dangerously stiff steering wheel. Here's a quick prevention tip: check your owner's manual and only use the specified fluid for your vehicle. Ignoring a leaking coolant system is a big no-no. Coolant is essential for regulating your engine's temperature. A leak can lead to overheating, warped cylinder heads, or even a seized engine. Many modern cars heat up fast, and driving even a short distance with low coolant can cause permanent damage. Prevention. Tip: check coolant levels regularly and inspect for leaks. If you see colored fluid under your car or smell something sweet, get it checked immediately. Replacing only one tire on an all-wheel drive vehicle can be problematic. All-wheel drive systems are designed to keep all four wheels spinning at the same speed. Replacing only one tire creates a tread difference, forcing the all-wheel drive system to overwork. This leads to premature differential wear, transfer case damage, and even drivetrain failure. Prevention. Tip: replace all four tires at the same time. If that's not possible, replace two, and place them on the rear for better stability. Always check your owner's manual for specific all-wheel drive requirements. Many car owners make these mistakes without realizing the damage they're causing, but now that you know, you can take action to keep your vehicle in top shape and avoid costly repairs. Check your fluids, listen to warning lights, and follow your car's maintenance schedule. A little care goes a long way in extending your car's lifespan and saving you thousands of dollars. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential car maintenance tips.